Are you looking for a beginner-friendly camera? If that is the case, a bridge camera might be the perfect type for you. But what is a bridge camera? It was developed to try to fill in the gap between the old digital cameras and the ones with interchangeable lenses. Nikon has been known to carry a good collection of bridge cameras in its Coolpix B series. Stay with us until the end and we'll answer the question, is the Nikon Coolpix B500 worth buying? And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Cameras with removable lenses are designed to meet the professional photographer's needs. With a professional's sufficient knowledge of cameras and their specs, as well as on lenses and in which environment they perform well, he will be able to make the most of the camera's potential by knowing what is the perfect lens for a certain situation. That is why if you are still new in the field, this type of camera may come in as intimidating for you. That is the reason why people opt for classic digital cameras. They are also called point-and-shoot cameras. If you're a shutterbug on your trips and travels, then this might come in handy for you since it is compact and does not occupy a lot of space on your luggage. The problem with the point-and-shoot camera is that the resolution that it provides is at par with the quality of your smart camera phones with the current advancements in the technology of phones. Thus, instead of being a practical carry while you go on your vacation, the phone might be the more practical choice in this case. This is where the bridge camera comes in. For beginner shutterbugs who want to step up the game from their smartphone cameras, the bridge camera is the perfect solution. One of the most affordable in this segment is held by Nikon. At only $350, is the Nikon Coolpix B500 worth buying? Let's find out. The Nikon Coolpix B500 was released way back in February 2016. However, it is still quite significant because of its affordability, but is still packed with a whole lot of features. Starting with the image quality that it can give, it is constructed with a 16MP BSI CMOS sensor, which was responsible for the high-quality image, as well as the 1000 ACP Full HD video resolution. It has a stacked backside illuminated design, which is great in capturing light and is essential in improving performance in low light conditions. Thus, even if the surroundings are dim, you still get your clear shots. Now, going to the zoom capability, this is both the weakness and the strong point of the B500. The con is that its lens cannot be changed, as bridge cameras are made with fixed ones. However, the good news is that the lens that is attached to this one is the powerful 40x Nikkor EDVR zoom lens. This is upgradable to 80x if you go for the digital zoom. It can cover telephoto shoots from a wide angle. This is because of the focal length range, which is 4.0 to 160mm, and a maximum aperture range of f3.0 to 6.5. The lens is constructed with 12 elements in 9 groups, giving you 3 ED lens elements. These help the camera achieve sharp images. Vibrations are reduced by the lens shift VR for pictures and pairing it up with the electronic VR for videos or movies. You can also make videos in different formats, such as the Superlapse movie. You can get a really cool, detailed, and breathtaking time-lapse video of the sunrise or the sunset. There are also a number of exposure controls that are pretty easy to maneuver that can be of great help to beginners. It caters to easy auto mode, which assists you in optimizing the camera settings. Because it automatically adjusts the settings, it will no longer be a problem in taking pictures in dimly lit places. However, if you'd like to experiment with its different capabilities, You can rummage through the smart portrait system that has skin softening, blink warning, face priority autofocus, and target finding autofocus. If you're also aiming for different angles, the screen is there to back you up. The B500 is made of a 3-inch TFT LCD tilting screen. It is because of its tilting capability that lets you take photos even on challenging angles. Plus, the screen has a very clear 921,000 dot resolution. The screen is also coated with anti-reflective materials, and the brightness can be adjusted at 5 different levels. As an additional aid to low-light situations, this camera also has a built-in flash. Its compatibility with different connections also makes the Coolpix B500 a handy camera. It has built-in Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE, Wi-Fi, and NFC connectivities. Plus, it is compatible with Nikon's SnapBridge app. With all these features, not only are you able to quickly transfer your photos to your different devices, but you are also able to post them directly to different social media platforms. Reliability is also one thing that we consider in choosing the camera that we should bring on our travels, right? Then the Coolpix B500 answers this need. The battery life of this camera is definitely built to last. Not only is the battery long-lasting, but the usage of the power of the camera itself is energy efficient. With 4 AA alkaline batteries, you are able to snap up to 600 shots. This is enough to cover your entire day trip or even your whole vacation. So let us go back to the question, is the Nikon Coolpix B500 worth buying? If what you want is a level up from the camera on your smartphone, but are still too intimidated to try those cameras with big interchangeable lenses, then our verdict is yes. It is truly a good value for your money, giving you a lot of features at only $350. To sum everything up, you get a good camera that not only gives you high-quality pictures, but also great resolution videos. You get a lot of built-in features in taking both stills and motions, plus the easy auto mode that automatically sets your settings. The super zoom is superb and would make you forget that it's not one of those big shot interchangeable lens cameras. The connectivity is a big plus since in this day and age, social media has become quite a norm, and if you're one of those who would not want to miss posting their clips on their accounts on different platforms, then that is a big bonus for you. And don't forget the strong and durable battery life, since charging can be quite a hassle when you are on a vacation. And lastly, it is a Nikon brand who is known to be one of the giants in the camera industry. With its expertise and top-class developments in imaging over the years, buying this Nikon Coolpix B500 is totally worth it. If you are new to photography, then we applaud you for taking the first step. As a beginner, if you are able to get a camera that is perfect for you, such as this B500, you will surely get the hang of it. You will get to learn the ropes around this field, and eventually will have enough knowledge and guts to move up to the levels of the experts. If you want to learn, please subscribe and visit our channels for more videos like this one. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.